About 2.5 years ago, I was in Pondicherry in India, and I had a very rewarding experience to study with a professor of architecture who has been responsible for translating a lot of the Vedic scriptures with regards to the architectural content. So they've really dissected through the Vedic scriptures and have now been able to translate a lot of its content. So I was privileged to work with a professor there and work on one of his projects alongside with him to integrate the Vedic architectural principles. So I spent a couple of months in Pondicherry just studying the traditional Vedic principles, which embody a lot of energetic systems and geobiology principles. So they've taken a lot into consideration the subtle energies that encompass our body and how they are affected within our built space and our built environment. So that's how my role has added to this project. Vastu is a traditional way of building. So it's vernacular to India. It dates back to over 5,000 years old. So it's a system of building which takes into consideration earth energies. It takes into consideration subtle human energies and making sure that the energies between the earth and the body are passing through one another. Okay, so each day making sure that what we are building, things that are tangible, like a building structure and the building envelope, are not harming the earth, which then harm your body. So it's a very complex way of looking at a building in terms of looking at infinite energy systems and sifting through those to make sure that none of those are impeded on by our building and our building envelope. Well, traditional healthcare has been very inspirational for me. It's been a source of inspiration in many levels. It's allowed me to give part of myself back to those who are so less fortunate than ourselves, and the fulfillment that I've received from that has just been phenomenal. I think when you have a system that allows for people to give something which they are passionate about, you're not just creating a building, you're not creating a tangible product. You actually have something that's so inspirational that transcends back through you in so many different ways. So for me, traditional healthcare has just been an inspiration.